Deepening internal divisions within ZANU-PF have come into sharper focus after the party's Treasurer General Patrick Chinamasa openly cautioned members against fueling tensions through social media. Zanabina mashukobdanyo kwa pango na jinsi Chinamasa admits infighting rampant in ZANU-PF. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tribuna mnamubdanyo kwa mchinzi. Speaking during a provincial inter-district meeting in Mutare on Saturday, Chinamasa raised concern over the growing trend of party members using digital platforms to attack one another and spreading inflammatory messages that threaten party unity. He warned supporters and officials alike to avoid sharing or engaging with content that promotes hostility, saying the leadership is increasingly worried about public confrontations spilling onto social media. Chinamasa indicated that party leadership is working on measures aimed at restoring discipline and curbing the online clashes that have become common among rival factions. A senior ZANU-PF insider speaking on condition of anonymity said the public disputes reflect deeper and resolved tensions within the ruling party. The social media fights are just a symptom of a much bigger problem. There are serious factional battles behind the scenes, and everyone in the party knows it, the insider said. The source added that while party leaders continue to preach unity in public, internal rivalries linked to influence and succession remain a major source of friction. There is growing anxiety over power dynamics, and that is driving much of the hostility we are seeing, the insider added. Chinamasa's remarks come at a time when ZANU-PF faces increasing pressure to contain internal fractures before they escalate into the broader political crisis. Toba developments are good pangwa in a comment section of Gura anywhere to deep on the subscribe or like or join on the bell icon.